Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, did you know you can create eye-catching photo edits just minutes using Canva? We're diving into a super fun and easy tutorial on how to use photo manipulations effect in Canva. Let's get started. First, add an image. I already have an image, so I'll add it to the canvas. Then, increase the size to fill the entire background. Now, go to the Edit option and click on Adjust. Next, decrease the temperature to -74. Decrease the brightness to -74. Decrease the shadows to -85. And decrease the blacks to -43. Now, add another image. Click on Edit Image and select BG Remove. This will remove the background of the image. Next, increase the size and crop the image if needed. After that, go to the Elements tab and add a circle frame to the canvas. Increase the size of the circle frame. Here, go to Back Element and add another image to the canvas and add to the frame. Then increase the size. Then go back to Elements, search for Neon Portal, and choose one. I chose one and added it to the canvas. And then press the Control button, increase its size, and place it above the circle frame. Here, add another image again. Click on BG Remove to remove the background of this image and place it in the middle bottom. Next, increase the size. Press the Control button to match it equally with the first image. This is our final image. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.